Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! Yay! Ayan! So kami ay nakikisakay kila Kuya Angela and Ate Ruby. Yay! So mamaya makikilala nyo sila. Pero ngayon, we're so happy kasi it's July, 4th of July, Independence Day ng Amerika.
249th birthday.
Oh, 249th birthday ngayon ng Amerika. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Grosse Pointe. May event doon to celebrate that. Diba? So, say hello po, Papa.
Hello, masaya pa rin nasa passenger seat.
Masaya.
It's been a while, sitting at the back.
Yeah, say hello, guys. Hi. Okay. See you later, guys. See you later. Ito na kami, guys. Yeah. It's nice.
Di ba may ano naman sila dito, parang maliit na kainan. To get some pop and hot dog.
What will you do with the wagon, Kuya? Pwede ba tong ridean? Hindi eh. Ay, ate, ang ganda dito.
Dito ka na lang kumuha ng rent.
Ginto dito, Kuya, di ba? Pang rich dito, di ba?
Rich ka na muna.
Oh, kaya rich tayo dahil
Kalak tayo ng Lord.
amen. Si Pastor Kuya Angelo, yeah, and Ate Ruby, say hi.
Conscious tuloy ako.
Na-conscious. Na-conscious si Ate.
Lalabas talaga yan?
Talaga ako.
Lalabas talaga. Doon naman, Kuya. Pero kung ayaw nyo, okay lang, i-edit ko. Lalagyan kayo ng smiley. Smiley face. Smiley face, ganyan. Diba? Ayun, okay lang. Oo naman, gwapong-gwapo naman. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Bakit naman i-hide?
Ito si Pia, mano siya sa mga ganyan.
Ate Pia, say hello. Hi. So guys, yung pickleball courts, yeah. Tapos ayan na yung lake. Ay, anong lake to? It's Lake St. Clair. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys, kasi yun nga, we're living in Michigan. This is the Great Lakes state. So ang dami niyang ganito dito. Wherever we go, mabilis lang kami maka-access sa mga lawa. Still, at saka mga body of waters like river. Gazebo. Ang may-ari ang may-ari umaaura. Guys, so mamaya merong may face painting. Ay, gusto niyan. Maraming ganap, guys. May face painting, may apple pie.
House children princess perform.
Yay! May princess perform.
Saka superhero characters mamaya.
Yay! Superhero. Yan, so maraming ganap mamaya. Tapos ang masarap doon may apple pie, no? Eating contest. So for free. Apple pie. Kasi ang apple is summer na harvest. Diba? O all year round naman.
Parang, basta pie eating ko, hindi yata apple.
Ay, hindi apple. Pie lang pala. Pie.
Waiting for the food.
We're waiting for the food here.
Kasi nagutom na kami.
Karating namin gutom na.
Later, guys.
Hindi pa nag-breakfast from work.
Yun. Straight pa.
Straight
from work si Kuya Angelo. Ayun.
Kaya yan.
Guys, ito yung lunch namin. 2 fries.
Cheesy fries.
Ano to?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders.
And
Tsaka
corn dog.
corn dog. So, total nito. At saka may juice, no? 2 juice. So, magkano lahat? $27. Including tax.
I guess so.
Yeah, including tax. Say hi! Yeah, mga gutom na kami. Ariel was here. Hi, say hello. What's your name? Say Ellie. She's Ellie. Yay! Samuel, come here.
Kaya, laki yung babae.
Oh, ate.
All the girls.
All the girls, ate.
Girls, yeah, all girls.
All girls. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Yep, almost. Ellie's turn. Yay! One more. Yay! Yay! Yay!
So just tell me if you want me to go faster.
I think just slow and average. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I can go a little bit faster. Yeah. So he can experience that real.
Yep, just tell me if you want me to go faster.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit faster. Well, he wants to go down, I think. You don't want that? Okay, you want that? Okay. Alright. You like it? Yay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Ice cream, guys. Mainit eh.
Ice cream, guys. Ang bilis malusaw. Ellie. Sarap? Yummy. Yay. Ubaon si Castle, guys. Smile. Sam. Sam. Shoot. Guys, nakita namin si sino kayo natin? Si Elsa and si Anna. Anna ba? Si Anna, yon. Say hello. Say hello, guys. Hi. Yes, what did you draw? Yeah, what did you draw? Where is your line? Whoa, that's a long line, Kuya. So much. Go. Ellie will take picture. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let's smile. Ellie, smile. You're with the princesses. Smile. One more. Well, Ellie, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Wow, thank you so much. You're so gorgeous, guys. And your boy says, wow. And I said, wow, I wish we were like that also. Okay, so have a great day. Thank you. Ellie, say thank you. Say thank you. Hug, hug, hug. Oh, thank you. How about Princess Anna? Ellie, have another hug. Oh, hug. Thank you, guys.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa swimming pool area. Lang kami sa splash pad na tinatawag nila. Kasi wala kami.
Doon lang kami, guys, sa sa splash pad. Magbabasa-basa lang.
Ellie, look. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Where are you going? Ellie! Fountain! Yung iba ngayon palang papunta kasi para sa fireworks, no? Mga 10 p.m. So, current time mga past 3:30 na, past 3:30. Yan. So, pero kami out na kasi ayun, may work, oo. Tapos ayaw namin padamag paggabi. Wala pambili ng buffet.
Uy, talaga ang dami tao.
Baka pala mga world class pala kinakainan.
Oh, world class.
Mamaya first class ang kinakainin
Mga
nyo.
chipi-chipipay lang kami.
Wow, chipipay. Ano pala yung Chick-fil-A? Ano ba yung first class by Chick-fil-A? Kung first class yun, na baka makain kami sa first class. please get one? Oh, can you please hold this one? I'll get. Kuya, where do we start? Okay, can you do it? This is enough, okay? Like this, okay? This one.
Oh, Eddie soup po.
Angel's right behind him.
Okay. And don't put it together.
Did you enjoy? Everybody enjoy?
Yeah! Pababa na yung energy.
Grabe, pababa ng energy. Ako nga, di ba, ano?
Hindi pa nakatulog.
Babalik na naman siya.
Pataas ang energy.
Taas yung energy.